You deserve nice things too, right? I'm saying this because I found ukuthi mina as a person, I usually have money guilt. Money guilt means when you spend on something that is not a basic need, you feel guilty, right? And when I do research, it usually comes from a past of having an insufficient amount of money, or growing up knowing ukuthi saving is the right thing to do, and attaching your worth to the amount of money you save rather than the amount of money you use, right? So if you have, well, if from a young age you were taught to budget, or you grew up with background ilana, you did not have much, so the little you had, you needed to squeeze ama pennies ukuze ukuthi uthole ama basics, so much so ukuthi it gets ingrained in your mind ukuthi in order for you ukuthi like it gets ingrained in your mind ukuthi ama basics that you covered, those are enough to sustain you empilweni. You don't need a little extra. You don't need to take yourself out. You don't need to spoil yourself. Ama basics may covered kuphelile. Kahle kahle, you need to suffer through life, kahle kahle. I don't know if that makes sense, but I have a lot of money guilt because I grew up with ugogo, and ugogo wayewuthisha, umkhulu wayengasasebenzi, so sasibaningi relying on one salary, right? So obviously ugogo, she had many kids to take care of, like 5 kids, and she had to save. So yonke imali wayenza, she had to save, and she ingrained it in us. I started from a young age ungayithandi izinto ey'nkulu or into ey'bizayo, because I felt like I didn't deserve it. I always bought the cheapest thing because I felt like being cheap, or say like buying the cheapest thing is saving, and I attached saving to my worth, the amount I knew how to save. Because mengimzwela ugogo and I used to understand mesho ukuthi akanamali, she used to be so happy ukuthi I was an understanding child. So as a result, ngaqala ngisemncane uku-attach ukusava with my value, ukuthi, or my worth, ukuthi mengisava, I'm doing the right thing. When I'm spending money, I'm doing the wrong thing. Now that I'm older, and when like I book myself out or I buy myself a dress, in my mind, I have trained my mind ukuthi I deserve the cheapest. When I go out, I get the cheapest room. Anything just to pinch a penny, and the leonto is a lag mindset. It's a lag mindset. I don't want to have that mindset. I hate having a relationship with money where being spending money, I feel guilty afterwards, and enjoy kahle I'm living to cover my basics, and then every other aspect of my life I need to suffer. And then uthole omunye umuntu owaphuma kwi-home where they didn't think about money too much, because they didn't think about money at all, because their family had it covered. They came from a 2-parent household. Dad was doing well, mom was doing well, and baba two met each other halfway, and they had like 2 kids. So there was a surplus of money. So bana low mindset ukuthi vele empilweni there's so much money, if iphela imali ngizowenza enye, I don't have to worry, I deserve nice things. Ngiyayihalela leyo mpilo. And I was watching with Angel Ndlela a podcast there, the Inspo podcast with Angel Ndlela, and she was talking about the fact that I grew up very privileged. And mubuka impilo ya-Angel, she's 29, she just bought a new house, uhamba nge-Land Rover, and akasebenzi, uyi-serial entrepreneur, like usomabhizinisi. And that shows you ukuthi yabo muyitshela engqondweni ukuthi iningi imali ngizoyenza enye, you actually attract more. And mina, no matter how much I work, but kukhona a certain income bracket engakwazi ukuyidlula, because vele sengiyibekile lo limitations in my mind ukuthi vele mina, even when I charge for my services, I don't charge mali nkulu, ngicharge kancane, because like the relationship I have with money is unhealthy. And if you have the same thought process, I want you to know ukuthi you deserve nice things, you deserve to spoil yourself, you deserve the expensive room. And suffering doesn't make you worthy. Like, you don't have to suffer through life. It sucks, especially in Nesendle we feel like in order to deserve certain things we need to suffer first. You don't need to suffer. It's not compulsory to suffer. You don't have to suffer for nice things. You deserve nice things. If there's an easier way for you to do something or to get something, and you have imali ukuthi uyithole leyo nto, use your money. You have the money. Use your money. Don't feel guilty. You are here to live your life. Live your life to the fullest, because you don't know when is the last day you are living leyo mpilo leyo. You don't know if today the last day or tomorrow. You never know. So you're busy saving for a future you don't know if it's gonna even come. And you're sure ukuthi save. Yes, you can save, but at the same time also live your life. Like, I'm so tired of spending money and feeling guilty. Like, mengi keep her out, or when I take a friend out, ngifuna imali cheapest. I would have imali. Sometimes ngoba nayo, but I feel good saving. I feel like, wow, I saved. I attach my worth to the amount of money I can save, and it's a false sense of security. Because even if you save imali X amount, it's a false sense of security, because you might not even get to spend it. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if that makes sense. I just wanted to say that, and just take it out of my heart. You deserve nice things. You don't have to suffer through life. You know, like, I feel like, if especially as asakhula nogogo nomkhulu, they have this mentality yokuthi yonke into kumele uyithole through hard work. And if you get into lula, you become suspicious. Even in relationships, like, you feel like you need to prove yourself to get love. You need to no, you deserve love. But the fact that you're alive, and you're deserving of love. You deserve to be treated right. You deserve to be treated decently, like a human being. You don't have to bend yourself over backwards for uthando. Umuntu bekuthanda uyakuthanda, bangathanda akuthanda. It has nothing to do with what you do for them. It has everything to do with who you are. So you can't love someone into loving you. You can't work yourself into someone loving you. You can't do that. Just be you. Just be yourself. Because the right people will be attracted to you regardless. Stop. You don't have to suffer. And you do deserve nice things. Period.